What if I told you your job is not your real business? Yes, that's the powerful lesson from part 3 of Rich Dad Poor Dad. The big mistake. Most people say, I work for this company. But Rich Dad says, your job is not your business. Your job only pays your bills. Your real business is what builds your assets. What is mind your own business? Rich Dad teaches, while you work at your job, you must build something on the side. Not another expense, not a bigger lifestyle, but assets. Assets that generate income without you working all the time. What are assets again? Assets are things that put money into your pocket. Examples: rental property, stocks, businesses, online content, intellectual property. Liabilities take money from your pocket. The rich focus on assets. The poor focus on salary. The trap. Here's what most people do. They get a raise, then upgrade their lifestyle. Bigger house, better car, more expenses. Their income increases, but so do their liabilities. This keeps them stuck in the rat race. The smart way. Rich Dad's rule is simple. Keep your job, but build assets quietly. Use your salary to buy income-producing assets. Let those assets grow. One day, your assets will pay your expenses, and then you are financially free. Financial freedom is not about working harder. It's about building smarter. Don't just work for money. Make money work for you. Start small, start today, but start building assets. If you learned something new today, comment part 4 and subscribe for the next lesson, because in part 4, we will talk about taxes in corporations.